ride along with me at Disneyland's Monsters, Inc. Mike and Sulley to the rescue. Little monsters before it goes away. Huh? This, I believe, is gonna be the new Pandora. Headed into Monstropolis. Take some photos and videos. Aw, you can see the ride.
A leader in business and industry, Monstropolis is home to everything W Monsters Incorporated. Powered by hungry waters, Mars, is inside the taxi. And be sure to supervise your children. Thank you.
Atención visitantes.
Ready, folks? We're going to be skipping this cab. You guys begin the next one. Make sure at this time you back to that job.
Here we go.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would...
A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny.
I saw the whole thing!
Oh, googly bear!
This human child throws me with its telepathic control. Things like chicken, hot dogs were not my own. Then it grabbed me with a gun.
We gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! A monster in the sky, son of a bitch!
My home is out to me! It was my birthday! I thought you cared about me!
Come on, this way.
Situation is 99 or 0. Security guard unit, charged and ready.
There's nothing down here.
Be on the lookout for this time.
Nice! Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens!
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Yeah. I mean,
Never find her door now. Almost there, kiddo. Not so fast.
kiddies gotta go now. Sleep time.
Immediately secure the area. Number 1 wants you in case you have any doubts. Right now. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 992. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of
Don't
human
make me come in there. I'm watching you. Always watching.
I hope you enjoyed our ride along on Monsters Inc. Mike and Sulley to the rescue. Make sure to check out our channel for other great ride along videos. And if you're ready to start planning a vacation to Disney, Disney World, Disneyland, or Disney Cruise, Alani, please make sure to reach out to one of our travel advisors and make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications for any more of our great videos.